This book is called The Action of Subtraction. 8 minus 2 equals 6. The book is by Brian Cleary, illustrated by Brian Gable. The Action of Subtraction. Subtraction is taking one number away from another, resulting in less than you started with. Subtraction is an action that will make your total less, whether ice cream scoops or hula hoops or inches from a dress. Whatever you are counting, it will take away a part and leave you then with not as much as you had at the start. So look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 goes away. Now I have 6. 6 is less than 7. If 7 angry bulldogs were barking at your door, a kitten could scare 3 away, and then you'd be left with 4. And what if 13 hornets had nested in your tree? If 10 of them would just buzz off, you'd then have only 3. Do you see what subtraction does? It changes the amount. So you'll wind up with fewer when you do your final count. Minus means to take away some numbers from the whole. Like if you had 10 bowling pins and grabbed a ball to roll. Let's say you knocked down 8 pins with the first ball that you threw. Then 2 would still be standing because 10 minus 8 is 2. Your second ball knocks 2 more down. You did it. You're the hero. Now all the pins are down because 2 minus 2 is 0. In this case, it means equals or totals just the same. That sign right there means matching value in a problem or a game. Like if you had 3 times out left and somehow lost your shoe, your coach would have to call 1 and you'd be left with 2. 3 was what you started with, then you subtracted 1. That would equal 2 more left before the game was done. 3 minus 1 equals 2. If Jen had 12 stuffed animals and she gave 2 to Sally, then 5 more went to Mary Kate, here's how you do the tally. Think about it. Could you do this? Start with 12, take away 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Now subtract the 5 for Mary Kate. Then that leaves 5 for Jen. So 12 minus 2 equals 10. You have your 10. You take 5 away. You have 5 left. Whenever we subtract things, it can make us sad or glad, depending on whatever there is less of, good or bad. Like fewer school days due to snow or coronavirus, and less time with the dentist, not as much discomfort since the doctor fixed your bent wrist. A smaller plate of vegetables, a shorter list of chores, less time with your homework, and not quite as many snores. See the numbers move towards 0 with a shrinking kind of action. And all of this is possible because we have subtraction. So what is subtraction? Do you know? Let's look on this page. 5 minus 3 is 2. Can you guys do some subtraction? Try to do a couple of subtraction facts. Work on one of the subtraction math games today. Have fun with subtraction. Hope you enjoyed the book.